Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Here is a recruitment update for you dear students from PNB Bank. Yes, when we will go to the official website, here you can see when we will go to the official website pnbindia.in, here in the recruitment or in the career section you can see one recruitment is there for 350 specialist officers under this one. Published date 1st March. Okay, detail advertisement is available. When we will click here we can see the detail advertisement. So this is a very good opportunity for the engineering students. Let's check it out. So first of all, if I am talking about opening date for online registration, this is 3rd March. Okay, closing date will be 24th March. So between 3rd March to the 24th March, you can apply here. Tentative date of online test, because the recruitment is based on the written test बच्चों, ठीक है, it's a direct recruitment but it's based on the written test. So तो tentative date of the online test wherever required, it is in April or May 2025. ठीक है, so let's check it out. So when I'm coming here for the next thing, we can see, okay, now they mention here the name of the post, officer credit JMGS1, number of vacancies 250, pay scale also mentioned here, that is 48,480 to this one 62,480. Officer industry JMGS1 75 vacancies, manager IT 5, senior manager IT 5, manager data scientist 3, senior manager data scientist 2, manager cyber security 5, senior manager cyber security 5. So total number of vacancies are 350 here. Remember one important thing here, they mention the grade scale JMGS1, then MMGS 2323, like this. Okay, we will come to this one. What is the requirement for this specific branch, which degree we want, which branch we want, I will tell you. Okay, hold on. All right, now so this is the first thing. Now here the important thing is they mention category wise also ki for OBC this one, EWS this one, SC ST, so they mention unreserved. So category wise division of every number of vacancy they mention here according to the name of the post or the grade. Okay, so if I'm coming to, they mention some basic informations as well. Okay, so eligibility criteria. So first of all, the candidate should be Indian national. ठीक है, कैंडिडेट मस्ट बी इधर इंडियन नेशनल, सब्जेक्ट ऑफ नेपाल और भूटान चलेगा, बट मेजरली दिस इज ए इंडियन नेशनल. ठीक है, एंड एज, एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन क्राइटेरिया, सर्टिफिकेट, post education qualification, work experience, what they want. When we will click here we can go to that one, I will show you that later. Okay, but before that let's see the level of education qualification prescribed for the post is minimum. Candidate must possess above qualification, certification, post जो भी मांगा है, ठीक है, वॉट एवर द रिक्वायर्ड दैट इज द मिनिमम, उससे ज्यादा है तो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट मिनिमम इज दैट वन. ठीक है, नाउ एंड वॉट एवर द क्राइटेरिया इज देयर, वो होना चाहिए अप टू द 24th March 2025 तक होना चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड candidate must specifically indicate the percentage obtained in the graduation. अच्छा, no round off. Suppose you are having 59.99, तो वो round off नहीं होगा. That okay, that will be treated as in 59.99 only. That is not considering as in 60. इस बात को ध्यान रखेंगे. Okay, now relaxation is the in the upper age limit. It is mentioned according to the rule of government of India. We can see this one. If you want, we can just go to this. ठीक है. Okay, and then ex-serviceman also some conditions they mention here. For BD students also they mention some conditions here, so we can check it out. Okay, as this is a long PDF of 36 pages for EWS category. Acha, which candidate they will consider as an EWS category, they mention here. Okay, if you are set, if you just means remember one thing na beta, suppose you are having the general category, if you belongs from the general category and you want to apply with any of the other category, ठीक है, you are having certificate of that one, तो but please check it out कि you just satisfy all these criteria, because ये criteria ना fixed है, restricted है, इसमें कोई plus minus नहीं हो सकता है. Now let's come to the selection procedure, which is important. Selection procedure, the selection will be based on the online written test followed by the personal interview or personal interview only. Now it's not mentioned कि रिटन टेस्ट प्लस पर्सनल इंटरव्यू होगा या फिर सिर्फ पर्सनल इंटरव्यू होगा, बट देयर इज अ चांस कि रिटन टेस्ट होगा, ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन नंबर ऑफ एप्लीकेशन रिसीव्ड अगेंस्ट ईच पोस्ट एज पर द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द बैंक, ठीक है। फर्स्ट सिनारियो ऑनलाइन रिटन टेस्ट फॉलोड बाय द इंटरव्यू, तो ऑनलाइन रिटन टेस्ट अगर होता है तो क्या होगा, इन केस द बैंक डिसाइड टू कंडक्ट ऑनलाइन रिटन टेस्ट द टेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर विल बी एज फॉलो। पार्ट 1 रीजनिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 25 25 50, मार्क्स चाहिए 25 25 50। पार्ट 2 विल बी प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज 50 क्वेश्चंस 100 मार्क्स, ठीक है। सो द टोटल ड्यूरेशन विल बी 120 मिनट्स होगा, all right, and for each wrong answer given by the candidate 1/4 of the marks assigned to that question will be deducted as in penalty, ठीक है। part 1 and part 2 will be there, candidates have to qualify all the tests of part 1 and part 2, that is professional knowledge test will be evaluated only for those candidates who qualify in each paper in part 1। अच्छा, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग बच्चों कि पार्ट 1 में अगर आपने ईच मींस रीजनिंग इंग्लिश और क्वांटिटेटिव में क्लियर किया, देन यू आर एलिजिबल टू गो फॉर द पार्ट 2, ठीक है। देन पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, इट्स मेंशन मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स इन ईच individual test will be decided by the bank based on the collective response। so then second stage is personal interview, personal interview will be conducted by bank in the following manner, what candidate who obtain minimum qualifying marks as decided by the bank in part 1 will be considered for the shortlisting for interview on the basis of merit prepared as per marks obtained by them in the part 2, ठीक है। प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज टेस्ट प्रोवाइडेड दे फुलफिल द अदर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन सर्टिफिकेशन पोस्ट जो भी आपको चाहिए वहां पे आपको शो करना पड़ेगा सारे के सारे रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू नीड टू शो देयर, ठीक है। डॉक्यूमेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स टू बी कॉल फॉर द इंटरव्यू शेल बी डिसाइडेड बाय द बैंक, ठीक है। पर्सनल इंटरव्यू विल बी ऑफ 50 मार्क्स, मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स इन इंटरव्यू शेल बी 45%, दैट इज 22.50, ठीक है, फॉर SC ST कैंडिडेट्स एंड 50%, दैट इज 25 for the other candidates, ठीक है। Candidates obtaining minimum qualifying marks in personal interview will be provisionally selected for the issuing offer of appointment based on the aggregate scores obtained by them in the part 2 of the online test, ठीक है। Then scenario 2 है कि shortlisting of applications followed by interview, तो if they will suppose directly call for the interview, तो personal interview will be conducted by the bank in the following manner, document verification होगा, ठीक है, whatever they are asking you need to show those documents, and personal interview will be of 50 marks, minimum qualifying marks is same 45% and 50%, ठीक है, and then the final selection will be there। अच्छा, the interesting thing is they mention the online examination center also, tentative list, okay, state wise they mention here, I think it's covering almost every state, and then they mention some criteria also, you can check it out, this one, ठीक है, guidelines for the persons, okay, so they mention some guidelines also, as I told you this is a 36 page PDF, तो आप अच्छे से पढ़ना, is each and every line which is related to you, you need to read it carefully, ठीक है। list of document which you need to produce at the time of the interview, they mention everything here, ठीक है। call letters for the online written test or interview, this is the official website which I show you, this is the official website only, here you can just try। now application fees, what is the application fees for SC ST PWBD category students, 50 rupees plus GST 18% means 59 rupees, for other candidates 1000 rupees plus GST 18%, so 1180 rupees, ठीक है। how to apply, they mention here specifically how to apply, okay, just follow these procedure, apply online, go through this one, payment of application fees is also you can go through online medium, ठीक है, and then mode of payment is online only, I told you। even they mention here which size of photograph, which size of documents you required, everything they mention here, caste certificate, education qualification documents। now I want to talk about the directly degree कि मैम for which post which degree is required, I am coming to that one, ठीक है। अच्छा, let's see, तो they mention the bond also, credit history, I am talking about the page number 22 here, okay। now look at here, for the officer JMG, for the officer JMG scale 1, okay, first officer minimum age limit 21, maximum age limit 30, mandatory degree CA or CMA or CFA or MBA or postgraduate diploma in management, ठीक है। in that one they are not asking any experience, certification post education qualification is nil. If you are having, then that is good. ठीक है, job roles they mention here. If I'm talking about the JMG scale 1, this is for the engineering students. Scale 1 officer industry, minimum age limit 21, maximum 30, full time degree in BE BTech in civil. If you are having BE BTech in civil, you are eligible. Electrical, mechanical, textile, mining, chemical, production, metallurgy, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, information technology from any institute, college, university recognized, approved by the bodies AICT with the minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade, then you are eligible. So all these branches, students with the BE BTech are eligible for this post. And here any additional qualification related to if you are having, आप show करोगे, then that is good. If you are not having, then that is okay. ठीक है, desirable full time degree in MTech MBA from any institute, college, university approved by this one. So with the BE BTech, if you are having ME MTech or MBA, then also you are eligible. ठीक है, and here you can see there is no work experience required, again nil. All right, so this is the important thing बच्चों. And here next we are having manager. So this was for the officer post. Then for the manager IT MMG scale 2, minimum 25, maximum 35, full time degree in BE BTech in computer science, information technology, information science. If you are having MCA, then also you are eligible. ठीक है, desirable में masters है, but if you are having BE BTech or MCA, then you are eligible. मैंडेटरी ये लिखा है, ये सब आपको आना चाहिए. यहाँ मैंडेटरी एक्सपीरियंस है 2 year experience in the IT system. ठीक है, here not for the fresher, you should have 2 year experience. Job role also they mention here. Then for the senior manager IT, the same thing, BE BTech in CS IT students are eligible here, or ME MTech you are having, then also eligible. Age limit 27 to 38 year. Then if I'm talking about manager data scientist, okay, this is 25 35, BE BTech in information technology, computer science, business and data science. Okay, इसमें से कुछ भी हो चलेगा. 60% marks. Yes, experience is required here. 2 year experience is required. ठीक है, for the senior manager also as well the same requirement with the 3 year experience. Then manager cyber security, BE BTech in CS IT electronics and communication students are eligible with 60% marks. मास्टर से चलेगा, लेकिन 3 year experience से चाहिए होगा. ठीक है, and then manager cyber security, again BE BTech information technology. This is manager, senior manager, and this is senior manager. Earlier was manager and this is senior manager. ठीक है, फिर ये फॉर्म इन्होंने लिखा है यहाँ पे लास्ट में अटैच किया है. यू नीड टू जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दिस फॉर्म एज वेल. आई एम शोइंग यू अगेन दिस वन जहां आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट जहां जाके आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. दिस इज द वेबसाइट. ठीक है, अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, 3rd मार्च से स्टार्ट होगा. यू कैन फिल द फॉर्म बच्चों फ्रॉम द 3rd मार्च से आप फिल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और बिफोर फिलिंग, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, बिफोर फिलिंग प्लीज चेक कि क्या क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है, क्या चाहिए, वेदर आई एम एलिजिबल और नॉट फॉर दिस वन. ठीक है, और ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन का लास्ट डेट है, स्टार्ट होगा 3rd मार्च से, लास्ट डेट है 24th मार्च 2025. कीप लर्निंग, कीप शेयरिंग. थैंक यू गाइस.